Are you recording now?
Yeah.
Oh well, I'll stop swearing. Right.
It's fine, I'll just bleep it out, put some expletives on the screen.
Right, so unboxing today in Indel TB41 fridge. It's going to be going into my demo van, and the reason I chose this fridge is because it's a certain height that will work with the SlidePod. So great recommendation from Johnny, so thank you for that. I'm looking forward to getting this open. And I like the fact that we can take it out as well and use it in different vehicles when we move around. So I'm going to open this up. So as you can see, this is the 41, so it's the in-between. They do a bigger one as well, but it doesn't quite fit with the SlidePod. And you do a smaller one, but for the price difference, I think this is probably the fairest model. It's got really great reviews, and it works on both 12 volts and 24 volts, and your 230 volt as well. Italian brand. They're always pretty decent for their components and the way they're designed, so it's great for taking it abroad now that we're going to be going on in the adventure. Quite a heavy piece of kit, to be honest. So, obviously, I've got quite a bit of packaging on it. It's a lot bigger than I expected. I'm going to be able to get a lot of stuff in this. I've got a few switches on here, so low, medium, high. Plug for 12 volt and 24 volt, and obviously your 230 volt fuse. So we've got on-off buttons. Okay, awesome. So I'll spin that around for the camera. And there we go. So yeah, there's lots of room in there. It's actually probably got more space in here than the Dometic CRX50 fridges that we usually put in a conversion, so that's quite good to see. We've got that little area, so it's got an A+ energy certificate. And there's a little light obviously in there as well. And what we've got in here, so I'm going to open this up in a second, get rid of all the packaging. So we've got some power leads, European power leads by the looks of it, American. Some handles, so that's quite good, so that's put on the side to kind of pull it up, so we need to build them up, and obviously some screws. With a little Allen key to fix it all in, and some washers. So, should we do that now, yeah? They go in here. There's like little screw cover holes. Put them onto there. Yeah, so I've got the handles on now. A bit easier to carry now, not too heavy actually now, and just open it up. It's pretty simple. I think this is all removable. There's like kind of bottle holders in the bottom there as well. If you notice, just underneath the cage, so you can actually hold bottles. But yeah, it's really pretty decent kit. I'll let you guys know what it's like in terms of usability and how power friendly it is, eco-friendly. Going away on Saturday, so yeah, I'll be filling it up and let you guys know how it is and give a bit of a review when I come back.